Hi, my name is Brandon Drake, and I'm a functional nutrition coach at heartforfoods.com, where food is medicine. So you're here because you're experiencing brain fog. So brain fog could manifest itself into different forms, such as memory loss, or a lack of mental sharpness, or even loss of coordination. Now, a lot of people think that these symptoms are associated with just getting older in general, when in fact it's not. What is happening is it's an accumulation of toxins over the years that are causing insults to your blood-brain barrier. Now, these toxins can be in the form of inflammatory foods or from personal care products that have certain chemicals in it, or it can result in just different toxin exposures from the air that you breathe. But what happens is when you have an accumulation of toxins, it's creating insults on your blood-brain barrier and creates a breach in the blood-brain barrier, allowing chemicals and undigested food particles to get through into your brain. And this initiates an immune response, which then initiates inflammation. And also too, because your immune system does not like these foreign material to get into your brain, it's actually waging a war against it. And in a war, there are casualties. And in this case, and in this war, the casualties are in the form of dead brain cells, which then creates symptoms such as lack of focus, loss of memory, or lack of mental sharpness, or even loss of coordination. So these are some of the reasons, or the primary reason of why you have brain dysfunction. Now, if you want to learn more, please read the article below where I talk about neuroinflammation and brain dysfunction. And if you're really serious and want to take action with the brain dysfunction that you're experiencing and want to heal these brain issues, then you can fill out the form right down below with your name and your email address, and I'll get in contact with you to set up a free consultation, a free 20-minute consultation, where my goal is to get to know you, understand your primary health concerns, and to see if both parties would like to create a relationship based on accountability for the primary goal of achieving a healthier you. Again, my name is Brandon Drake, functional nutrition coach at heartforfoods.com, where food is medicine, and I look forward to hearing from you. You have a good day.